Okay, time to take a look at the MUTUACTOR 2 pieces magnetic cup holder. I really like this textured style rubber as opposed to the glossy style rubber. This just feels a lot nicer, and plus whenever it gets wet you don't have to worry about it slipping as much. So this is the right type of rubber to use. You can see it comes to an X at the bottom, and that is bolted to this large magnet. You can see all those strong neodymium magnets in there. So this is going to hold on no problem. The internal diameter is about 3 1/4. Might be able to fit 3 5/16. And we're looking at about 8.5 centimeters. Looks like it does go up in the back a bit, so we've got a total depth of about 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. So I use pretty big cups, and it fits that almost perfectly, actually. So that is pretty darn awesome. That's pretty cool. And that's a full container too. So yeah, that is a nice strong magnet. I'm impressed with that.